Now, over in Darliston in Westmoreland, the police in Darliston, I was told, arrested a young man last week, Thursday or Friday. I believe it's last week, Thursday. Right?
Yes, sir, Collins. As you say, I'm supposed to come at the Darliston police station and pick up the vehicle. Come at the station. Police officer said I can't get the vehicle. I have to pay a record fee of 30,000, in which I right in front of the station, then it stop. And over the station, he carried. The silver Toyota officer will park behind the white ones that they make. And they also have me the cell phone, my house key, my bank card, them. They not give me none of them there. So this is the second time I come up here. I left from Mobile, take taxi, come up here, and they'll give me. Today, Wednesday, December 11.
Right? Now he was driving a car and they stopped the car almost across the road from the police station. And what resulted is that they arrested the young man and they seized the motor vehicle. Now, I am also told that although the vehicle was stopped almost across the road from the station, the vehicle was placed on a record and taken across the road to the Darliston police station. Now, the young man remained in custody longer than 48 hours and no police officer or anybody complied with the Bail Act, the provisions of the Bail Act, Section 51A. None of the police officers in Westmoreland complied with that legislation. Anyway, the man was in custody. I had to go to Westmoreland and the judge made an order for the gentleman to be charged or released by a certain time. The police eventually released him, although they didn't comply with the time. They were late by about half an hour, but let that stay for now. Now, after the gentleman was released, his motor vehicle remained at the police station in Darliston. And I gave the gentleman a taxi fare from Savlamar so that he could go all the way to Darliston to pick up his motor vehicle in the night, because he was released in the night. And can you imagine, the man went to Darliston and taxi and the police tell him that they're not releasing his car. So he had to leave Darliston, go back to Montego Bay on a bus. Now, I spoke with the crime officer for Westmoreland, DSP Dale Reed, who made contact with Darliston, and he told me that the police didn't have any interest in the man's vehicle and that it could be released. I told him that the man was all the way in Montego Bay, and he told me that I could tell the man to come back to Westmoreland for the vehicle. Now, I gave the man instructions to travel to Westmoreland all the way in Darliston for the vehicle. And when he went there, the police in Darliston told him, I was told, that he's not getting back the vehicle. And he's not getting his phones. Now, can you imagine that when the gentleman called me and I called them back, the gentleman is now saying that the police is saying that he has to pay $30,000 for the record fee. $30,000 for the record fee. And what the record fee is for? The police stop him, decide that they are going to lock him up. And from across the road to the station, the gentleman's vehicle had to be placed on a record to go to the police station yard, which is across the road in Darliston, Westmoreland. And now that the man remained in custody for almost 5 days, without a charge, without any question and answer, without anything. So the man was illegally in custody, right? And the judge made an order for the gentleman to be released. And the police is now saying that he will not receive his vehicle until he pays $30,000 to the record company. No, man. I don't understand what is happening in this country. I don't understand. But trust me, the citizens of this country are being treated very terrible at times. So I don't know if the Commissioner of Police seen this video. Darliston Police in Westmoreland, check it out, sir. Alright, I probe, check on what is happening. But it cannot be. And I tell you, Jamaican people, as you're running up and down, election coming, you need to ensure that you demand better treatment from your government, whichever government go into power. Make sure they talk about your constitutional rights. How are they going to ensure that state agents don't continue to breach your rights every day? Because I see it happening every day, Jamaican people. State agents continue to breach your rights left, right and center, and I've never heard anybody paying it much attention in any election campaign. Come on, Jamaican people.